Even I just called for you, asking you to join the meeting. So good morning, all. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
See, yesterday I posted on message. I think you have seen that.
Yes, sir. We have seen that. Yes, sir.
There is no other go. Those who are interested, attend. Otherwise, get lost. Because I
Yes,
cannot bear anymore. When I gave enough time for cooperation, still you people are not cooperating. I told officer also. This batch is not up to the mark of that, and attitude is also not so good. I told. So my job I am doing. I told. So once the second year classes open, the whole thing will be set right. Now I think the people won't be in a condition to hear others. The problem is that some problem you people are having. Okay, anyhow, I just because if you are absent for that Sunday, the topic will be over. I gave the topics, that's why. Understood this?
yes, sir. We are there, sir. Understood. We will be
That
there.
is a very syllabus is very high, man. What you are thinking? It's an
Yes, sir.
advanced level. No, it's a neat level, board level only. People take difficult. People cheat and complete. That is a different issue. But out of God fear, I cannot do that. Later on, other problems we may get. What I am supposed to do, I am doing.
Yes, sir.
So I just advised you, requested you, morally tried to change you, nothing. You people are thinking only God will only give you the required punishment what you require. With SL40 students will never be like that. JJ class means they have 100% respect towards. This online class is spoiled actually. No discipline. Right. The daytime if you keep classes you won't attend. Once I kept in the evening, no, I saw no. The problem is this. Right. There are two categories of students, man. One who are studious, they study. The other, at least, they have the attitude to study, like attending classes, behaving properly, attending the work. And all. If these two are not there, they cannot be called as a student, no? So that's the only thing. Even your in charge also got vexed up in, now he is not involving in anything. He only told, "Oh, how long will tell these people? You tell stories to parents and escape. No class, net is not there, sir is not there, like that, something you'll tell. And for a kind information, sometimes in the meetings, Afzal sir will be joining and seeing and going away. Okay? You don't know who he is and which way he joins. Every meeting he joins. There's online classes, no? Sometimes chairman also will join. Sometimes they take the screenshot. This is college one. You have seen MS is there now. You're observing.
Yes.
Sharma sir won't be MS. You have seen. Krishna Mohan will not be MS. You are observed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I clearly told I won't take my own classes. Only through MS network it should be routed. And you observe who are attending everything. Later on, they'll take the action required. Why should I bother? Man? I brought to their notice. That's the reason why from the beginning I am not at all involving in my personal IDs. Everything is MS. This comes through central house admin network. This is not mine. Okay. So anyhow, I just informed you. My advice is attend the classes. That's all. Now come back to
Yes, sir.
this. See, so far you have seen circular motion, no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us see that is horizontal. In horizontal circular motion, you can keep the speed constant. Now suppose the vertical circular motion is there. That means you take some object tied to a string. Okay, this is the vertical at some position of the string. Okay, let it make an angle of theta with the vertical. Okay, now you can see this is the weight mg,
Yes, sir.
this is the tension. So now you can resolve this into two components. No,
Yes,
one
sir.
is, see, this is
mg cos theta.
mg cos theta. The other one will be,
mg sin theta.
1 second.
Yes.
Right. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, I think you have my phone number, no? Or my
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
my WhatsApp. You know what I kept? I think 1 second. If you open my WhatsApp and see,
Yes, sir. If you never study, no one will be there to help you.
if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you.
Yes, sir.
Because I believe in that. So I tried to first batch. This is because of the online batch. Even Latif sir is also shocked actually. This is the scenario mostly everywhere in Chaitanya and every college. But being a charitable
Yes.
work, this should not be the case with MS, they thought. But I told them, student is a student anywhere. Of course, if everybody study, everybody will get seats now. Why only few people get it is a story. This is
mg sin
mg
theta.
sin theta. Do you agree with this? Clear?
Yes, sir. We agree.
Right.
Clear, sir.
Now you can see that when this is the speed, when the particle is moving like this, it has a velocity like this, no? Agreed or not?
Yes, sir. Tangentially.
Clear?
Agree, sir.
That means
Yes.
definitely the speed will be varying. No? You can see that
Yes, sir.
speed will be
Yes.
varying. Even when the particle is coming like that, same situation will be there. So due to component of weight along what?
Along radial and vertical direction.
Along the tangent.
Yes, sir. Radial, so tangential direction.
Tangential speed will change. Okay, so this is non-uniform circular motion.
Circular motion.
That means here speed won't remain constant. Uniform circular motion,
Speed remains constant.
Speed constant.
Followed.
Oh, sir.
Earlier you have seen uniform circular motion.
Sir, horizontally.
Here speed remains constant. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Clear.
Yesterday I posted on University Physics, you have seen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. One book. Yes,
See,
sir.
these
Seen, sir.
IIT professors, they know only those things. So mostly that is what they catch hold for the concepts and paper setting. Other things, all these dirty things are guides and all, they won't help you anyway. The reference, excellent book that is actually. So just for concept sake, you can learn, refer that. Very good problems are there. If you have time, go through that. That's all. I am explaining everything. My base book is that one actually. I take it as a Bible. Right, come back to this. Can I take, see, remember that T minus mg cos
Because
theta.
yeah,
Okay, what is FRMN?
MV square by R.
Okay, MAR. V square by R.
L is the,
Length of the street.
Radius of, so the length of the strip.
there is nothing but radius of the circle. Ne?
Yes, sir.
No, no. For NEET, we have category seats. If they just qualify, they charge 1 crore, 1.5 crore donation and they give seat in private college. For IIT, you give them 1 billion or crores also, you won't. You have to get a seat through exam only. It's a very cutthroat competition, man, not a joke. People are taking very lightly. Some people are watching the videos and they thought they got perfection. That won't work out.
Yes, sir.
Anything you do, be sincere, man. Okay? You want to enjoy. Sincerely tell parents, I'm going to enjoy, I don't want to study. Be sincere and do that. Anything. Be bad or good, be sincere at that. A drunkard, you should be, he is very sincere. Sincerely, he forgets every activity he is supposed to do, family, job, everything. Daily he drinks. He is very sincere. You should appreciate that fellow. The danger to the society is who appear to be sincere. That is the most dangerous thing. The politicians do that only. They appear to do good, but everything they do is only bad only. So let us not do anything which is against our career.
So,
A Michibaji fellow is there, a puncture shop. Sincerely, you can say Michibaji fellow will come by 3 o'clock, he'll keep everything, all the ingredients, he'll prepare that. By 5 o'clock, he'll be ready for sale of bhaji. If you observe any fellow, there is some sincerity. That is only your life. Imagine your parents are doing, father is not going to job, he'll go whenever he want. How the family will run? He should be sincere in what job now.
yes, sir.
Parents should be sincere. The wonder is teachers should also be sincere. They should take the class in time daily. Students can do anything. That is a new definition. But one thing, don't think like that. Physical classes start, things will be very. Anybody other MS students are there here?
Yes, sir.
Malakpet.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You know how they treat Namis and all the hostel people.
Yes,
How
sir.
strict they are, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
100% like police discipline. They won't. They'll kick you out like anything, any indiscipline. You may be the best student, but they'll kick you out. Last year, Fauzan, one fellow is there. He's supposed to get below 50 rank. Such an excellent fellow, but highly mischievous. Midnight, 2 o'clock, he was caught doing some mischief thing. He was catch a caught night, within night only they call the parents. Next day morning they kick down. Ask if you want to. They won't spare. So don't expect that MS nothing. It's very, very, very strict. Under strict conditions only we are extracting results. Because we don't get Olympiad qualified toppers, NTS. Normal students will get. People are sincere. We try to extract 100% potential. MS students, if they cannot get a seat in MS, they'll never get seat in any other institution. Because other institutions already syllabus is over. If you want, you can check. They rush up, they won't bother others.
Yes.
Not only here, even main campuses where results should come, they'll be very serious. Chaitanya is there, Madhapur. Morning 5 o'clock, your schedule starts till night 11. Hardly they give 15 minutes break for lunch or dinner like that. Because they are giving free of cost, they want results for that. No, who will give free? Man, will you give free? Tell. You're entertaining a guest man. You want some relation with him. No, that's why you're entertaining. You will entertain an enemy. Yeah? No, because you don't want any relation with the enemy. And one thing, don't think that these marks are sincere. There are many illegal activities. They're googling, getting the solution. Everything we know. Especially I know. Entire in and out of internet activities I can know. But the only thing is, I don't want to involve in unwanted things. As a teacher, I'm just observing that stuff.
Completed.
And when physical classes start, there will be an examination I'll be conducting. Those people who get the minimum marks will be in L4. Otherwise, in my class, I won't allow. That is for definite. I'm very particular. I told officer also. What is the use in taking honors? One student who gets IIT is better than 100 students who won't get anything. Till here you followed?
Followed, sir.
Right. So remember that tension is also not constant. What is tension, man? M V square by L plus
MG cos.
NV cos theta. Remember V changes, theta changes. So T will not be constant. Okay. So V and theta variables, no?
Variables. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There must be, T must be,
Also variable.
This T must be variable.
till here you followed? Clear?
Followed. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, in chemistry textbooks, I am saying, you will be reading one statement. Centripetal force equals centrifugal force, they'll balance in atomic structure. Did you ever observe?
So,
Open any of the Indian chemistry books, the teachers also will say that centripetal force equals centrifugal force. Because they don't know that centrifugal force will not exist if centripetal force is there. You know that?
and so,
Because centrifugal force is
pseudo
frame
force.
dependent.
Yes, sir. Frame dependent.
Then many people doesn't know what is pseudo force also. So this is the nonsense going on. So we cannot correct everybody because physics in the basic background is spoiled. You will never come into that. That's why if you want, I'll teach any chapter of maths you give, I'll teach. Any chapter of chemistry, I'll teach. One physics chapter, let others teach also.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
you can tell, sir.
Now can you tell where T is minimum? Man?
The highest point.
Right. So here we have seen what is T?
MG cos theta plus MB square by. Yes.
As V decreases till there. See, remember this. Observe this carefully.
Yes, sir.
Mostly common sense only, man. Nothing else physics. Only thing is we won't observe. Even you're eating, also observe what is that food you're eating, what will happen after going into stomach, then you'll be eating properly. We won't observe, no, that is the problem. So this is there. As the particle goes here, what will happen when this is speed and what will be here? Mg cos theta. It goes on like this.
This side
Sin theta na
Ex-
sir.
Sin theta, sir. Mg sin theta.
Mg sin theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now as it comes here, now you can see
Both are in the
this
center.
is V. Okay. Now suppose this is Mg. Okay, if this is theta, what will happen? This is theta or alpha. This is also alpha. What will happen? This one will be
90
Mg
cos
180.
90 minus alpha.
Yes, sir. 90 minus
cos 90 minus alpha. What is that equal to?
this
Mg sin alpha. Now you can see here, from here to here, lowest point to highest point, what you have?
this sin theta is towards the
Lowest to highest velocity decreases and tension also decreases. As theta increases, velocity decreases.
What will happen? Velocity will decrease, no?
Yes,
The
sir.
speed decreases. Again, from highest to
Lowest. Speed increases.
this implies that speed is minimum at
Highest point.
do you agree till here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you can see that at highest point what you have, actually you have seen that just now,
Into cos 180.
Yes, sir.
I'll call this as TH, means
Yes,
simply tension at the highest point.
yes,
Follow till here,
followed.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So remember that in case of circular motion in a vertical plane, tension is minimum at which point?
Lowest. First, sir, highest will highest.
Highest point, sir.
Highest.
Do you agree till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Finished.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Hello, you completed or not?
Completed, sir.
One boy asked, wait, sir. Right. Now, when particle move in circular path, if tension exists only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
if centripetal force exists.
If string is taut, that is, tension exists, then only particle can move. Otherwise, okay.
Otherwise it cannot move.
Then what will happen? Body will fall down, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hold on. Instead of existing in circle.
Followed this. Now you have clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if till here you followed,
Yes, sir. Follow, sir.
that means minimum value is existing. Okay, that means at any other point tension will be more than that only, no?
Yes,
See,
sir.
minimum is suppose 4 newtons. At any other point, what you need, tension will be more than that.
Okay, more
Agreed or
than
not?
Yes,
agreed,
sir.
sir.
Understood this statement?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood.
So that means, so what is the condition for completing the circle?
Sir, tension must be greater than minimum at every other points other than highest point.
See, this is what we call looping the loop.
Yes.
If you come across anywhere problem, looping the loop means completing the vertical circle. Okay? T min must exist. Minimum tension must exist, no? Agreed.
Yes,
That
sir.
means
Must exist.
existing means what? It should be,
TV must be
that is,
uh, yes.
T min should not be less than 0.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Remember, tension is negative means it is not existing. Positive or equal to
Not
0, it
exist.
is existing. Remember, tension is 0 doesn't mean that this is non-existing. X is 0, you will take numerical value of x is 0. X is non-existing is wrong. For example, when you are
Yes.
just born, at the instant of birth, what is your age? At the instant
Zero.
of birth, what is your age?
Zero.
0. That means you are not existing, huh?
No, sir.
Existing.
No, sir.
So before your birth, you are non-existing on the earth. That means before the date you are born, suppose you are born at t equals to 0, before that for t less than 0, you are non-existing in the universe. Agreed or not? For t greater than 0, you are alive, existing. So remember that
Exist.
there is a wrong thinking among people that tension is 0 means non-existing. T is less than 0 means tension does not exist. T greater than equal to 0,
Tension exists.
tension exists. So far you followed. So now, what is the minimum tension at the highest point you have?
Followed, sir. So far.
MV square by
We got
minus
this not
mg.
minimum tension. Earlier, how much you got?
The same, sir.
Okay. So this is greater than 0. That means VH should be greater than root
Under root
GL.
GL.
So the minimum speed will be how much?
Under root GL.
VH will be product of
Understood this? Clear?
yes. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So, 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Complete.
1 minute, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, related to one question, sir.
Tell.
Sir, if I am lifting a rig and I am walking on a horizontal road,
Hmm.
then am I doing any work on that lift, sir?
You're lifting means you're applying a force vertically up on the box, no? You're lifting some weight. How do you
Yes,
lift
sir.
it? Why do you lift it? You're applying a force against the gravitational force on the object. That means
Yes, sir.
your force
Understood.
is vertical, you are walking horizontally. What is the angle?
Sir, 90.
90.
That's
So
not
what
my
is the,
duty.
that means work done by the your applied force is 0, no?
0, sir.
Hmm. What is the
Yes,
doubt
sir.
then?
It's just my doubt, sir. Work done is 0 or not, sir?
0 only.
Maybe
Why should you
any
have
other.
that doubt? Shall I turn this?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Completely. Thank you, sir, for clearing it up.
See here, say suppose this is, I'll call it as velocity at lowest point. This is at the velocity at the highest point. Okay. Now, if we take this as the reference level, this is what we take reference. Reference level. Finding what? Potential energy. So here at the lowest point, what you have?
Potential is
And the
0.
kinetic energy is what?
Is half km. So,
Now
half
here,
mv.
what is the potential at the highest point? From here to
Yes,
here upward, positive I told no?
Yes, sir.
sir. Kh is equal to half mvh square.
Any doubt is that till here? Now we can
No,
apply law of conservation of energy, no? Agreed?
Yes, sir. We can. Yes, sir.
UL plus KL, UH plus KH. Agreed? This is 0, half MVL square, UH is 2 MGL, half MVH square. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now
Clear.
this can be written as VL square plus 4GL plus VH square. Now you can see if I take the minimum value at the lowest point, this will be VH square on enough minimum.
VH square only, sir.
So here VL minimum is how much? 4GL plus this is root GL, no? Just now you got. So this is 5GL. Agreed?
VL square no, sir. VL square minimum.
Okay, so VL minimum. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that for looping the loop,
VL minimum.
looping the loop means completing the vertical circle.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1 minute,
sir.
sir. 1 minute.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the kinetic energy, the horizontal diameter potential energy. Agreed. Now you can apply conservation of energy principle here also, no?
Yes, sir. Suppose this.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum here?
So minimum is so far 2D square minimum plus 2GL2. 2D square minimum is equal to 3.
Follow this.
Followed.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Followed?
Followed, sir.
Now, what is the tension? You already got tension in the string.
Sir, MVL by sorry, MV square by
MV square by L plus mg plus mg cos theta.
Hmm?
mv square by L plus mg cos theta.
Hmm. Now you can see that when T tension is
maximum.
Cos
We
theta
have
is
the
theta is equal to 0.
yes.
that means theta is 0 now.
Yes, sir.
This is theta is 0. So one doubt, sir. So this velocity will be maximum velocity, no, sir.
Which one?
So this MV, yes, sir.
What is that? Tell me.
Sir, MV square by L. In that
Hmm.
velocity will be maximum, no, sir.
Yes, velocity is maximum.
Oh, okay, sir.
I'll take that maximum velocity only now.
Oh,
Only
that
thing
was
I can say that because theta is changing, tension changes now.
yes, sir. Tension changes.
You have minimum tension over there, means it should be maximum below.
Ah, yes, sir. Yeah.
How much you got this? Root over something.
Power 5 GL whole square. Sir,
Correct or no?
Sir, you aim to SYTD?
What? Pardon, wait. G won't be there.
yes.
So tension is maximum at lowest
Velocity,
point. Understood this?
yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So one
So like that you have to calculate at different positions. It will be giving. Shall I turn this?
yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So just now you have seen that the motion in a vertical circle, different positions you have seen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have seen that here do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
P is greater than equal to how much?
Root 5 root GL. No, sir.
And
5.
T will be
6 mg.
greater than equal to minimum is 6 mg, no?
6
Yes, sir.
So
Max
here also VD greater than or equal to how much you got?
Greater or 3 GL.
3 GL. 3 GL. Root 3 GL, sir. Root 3 GL.
And you have seen that TD is how much?
TD is mg square by L
Square by L.
plus cos theta.
So here TD is minimum means
M into root 3 GL.
do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. AMG.
So TD should be greater than equal to,
3
AMG.
and here also
Sir,
VH should be greater than equal to, do you agree with this or not? Clear?
sir, one
Clear.
doubt.
Tell.
Sir, just now we find no T max equal to 6 mg. Then TL how can be greater than or equal to 6 mg, sir?
Which one is that?
Sir, you in that placement list, no? TL is
Ah, ah,
greater
ah.
than or equal to 6 mg. But T max is only 6 mg, no, sir?
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
No, no, it is greater than only. Reason is we have computed this taking minimum velocity. If velocity is more than that,
Tension will be more than that.
we have computed this 6 mg when VL is T minimum. Understand that T min is 6 mg when VL is minimum. Remember that.
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum velocity you have? Root 5 GL. If the minimum velocity is more than that, automatically this will increase or not? At the lowest position.
Sir, but my doubt is, I have another doubt, sir. Sir,
Wait, the boy who asked this doubt, satisfied?
Yes, sir. But in the last page you wrote it as a maximum tension.
Maximum tension. One second, wait. What I wrote, I'll check up. This is maximum tension for theta equals to 0. Maximum tension at lowest point with minimum speed. That is the meaning now.
Yes, sir.
oh, sorry.
The two variables here, whenever they are, see, you finish the gaseous state in chemistry now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what you will do? P, V, T, N are the four variables. What you want to study P and V, you will keep them as constant now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when T and N are constant, then you have P inversely proposed to V. Okay, P proposed to T when, not always, V and N are constant.
Yes, sir.
Followed this. So the study of variables should more than two variables are there. You have to keep one thing fixed. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute.
So all these are correct only. There is no error in this.
Yes.
Tension at the highest point, how much you got, man?
Mm,
Greater than equal to
Yes.
0, I think.
Yes, sir. Greater than equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, very
It
good.
should not be. That's what we thought, no minimum tension.
Yes, sir.
These are all the values for a particle to move in a circle.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now, we will reduce the condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, let us first consider the situation wherein we follow this carefully.
Yes, sir.
Say this is at some point, say theta 1 if I take.
Yes,
So what this is theta, okay, for example.
yes,
Now can you tell this is suppose H is H2. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
You suppose at this point, okay, the okay, when tension becomes 0, the minimum value here now,
yes, sir. Minimum.
The minimum value means highest point, na, sir.
what is that?
Tension becomes 0 at highest point, na, sir. 0 at real state.
Pardon?
tension becomes zero at highest point, na sir. You wrote VL square, na sir, then 1 by 10.
I'm telling if
Let
understood this.
Yes.
I'll tell wait. First hear the whole thing, man, then you can question. Otherwise, by seeing the small tail, you'll come to donkey, zebra, buffalo. Okay, you complete wait. If tension becomes zero at point P, what happens? Let us see.
Yes, sir.
This is half m Vp square in between this. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
do you agree with this?
Sir,
So you have Vp square. So here mgh2, no? They agree with this?
Yes.
yes, sir.
VP square plus
minus
2
H2
MGH.
no, sir. Downward no, sir.
Correct, na?
Yes,
Sir,
sir, correct.
Yes, sir. Correct only. Increase.
ah, yes, sir. Correct.
It's 2 MGH. 2G, na sir.
What is the value here at the minimum value you are having this as?
Root 5G.
5G. Root 5G.
How much you got this? 1 second wait.
Sir, root 5G, sir.
One second wait. We want tension is zero now.
Sir,
That means if tension at P is zero now. What is the tension value you got?
VL square plus VP cos 2.
Agreed, because this is tension or not?
yes, sir.
Great. Now, correct on this is. Anyhow, I'll do it. What is Vp square?
Sir, VL square minus 2GH2.
What is cos theta P here?
Cos theta P is,
P.
yes,
2
sir,
sin
remaining.
theta.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Agree.
Now find out H2 from this. Y and all you'll be knowing shortly. Wait.
Yes, sir.
The VL square plus GL divided by 3D. Plus GF
H2 is
divided by
12.
3G.
Sir, VL is root 5G.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, VL is root 5G. Can't.
Which one?
Sir, VL is root 5G, no? We can substitute and
No, man. Root 5G is when tension exists. I am telling you, this is the condition. You are taking you are getting previous one, the particle is completing the circle. But means at no point tension will be non-existing. Here the string is cut, for example, you are here. What happens? Tension will become non-existing, no?
Yes, sir. Non-existent.
Okay.
Yes, non-existent.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Those conditions are for completing a circle. This is not for completion of circle.
Yes, sir.
Now you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
So you turn this.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Finished? Right.
Yes, sir. Complete.
That's why first I told you now, listen carefully this concept, then you can ask it out. Now suppose at some height, see previously you are having velocity here.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Be careful in this.
Velocity exists. Not equal to zero.
So now this is, then what happens? Kinetic energy, the lowest point is kinetic energy at some point, whatever it is. Okay, this is half m VL square. So here, what is H2 mean?
H2 is 2 years.
Clear?
2 years, sir.
Now let us see certain conditions. Suppose particle should, see, can you tell what is the condition for oscillation? That means the particle oscillation means it should go up like this, come like this, again go up like this. This is only oscillation, no?
Yes, sir.
It should not move in a circle. Followed? Then you can see throughout this journey what should exist.
So tension.
See why the particle is coming down? Because here velocity becomes zero. These are extreme positions in oscillations. Why a particle will be coming back? Oscillations. Because here velocities are zero, but acceleration is not zero.
Zero.
Understood this? So it will come down like this because of acceleration. Again goes up. Again it will be, this is oscillation. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means particle must oscillate. That means
The particle
tension must exist. And V may vanish. Do you agree?
yes, sir. We will vanish at extreme positions.
Clear? Now, try to understand one thing. What is that we have got? T is 0 and V not equal to 0. At what height?
H2 is equal
Height H1 you got already.
to
Just now
square.
you got this now.
Yes, sir, by 3.
Whereas here tension is not 0. But what is 0?
Velocity is 0. H2 is equal to VL square by 2G.
Till here you followed? Clear?
Follow. Clear, sir.
Now V will vanish, but this must exist.
Yes, sir.
That means what should be coming earlier?
And
What
sir,
should come earlier?
for T not equal to 0,
See, man,
we,
height is going on increasing now.
yes, sir.
So, first we should have what you need.
Second
This should
condition.
vanish. That means H2 should be less than that now.
Yes, sir. Sir,
If H2 is lesser than that, then velocity will become 0 prior to tension now. You're understanding this, H2 is less than that, which will occur first.
first, the second condition will be come first. H2.
This is agree, this condition agreed or not?
Agree, sir. Now understood. Now understood. Yes.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Out of this, I want velocity to be 0. That means which must occur earlier, this height or this height?
Second height.
The
H2.
particle should reach this height before this. That means H2 is less than H1. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Then only oscillation will occur. Yes, sir. Clear.
Substitute this. Sorry.
VL
H2
square
is
by
how much? VL square by 2G less than this. Okay. From
yes,
this you get VL. Any doubt is there? See?
no doubts. Clear. Clear.
Any doubt is there till here?
Sir, no doubts. Sir. Clear.
That means, see, if velocity at the lowest point is between these two, what will happen? Particle will oscillate.
Yes, sir. Particle will oscillate.
Do you agree or not?
Agree, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
But 1 minute, sir.
So, this is the condition for oscillation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. You follow this. See, if suppose the particle comes here, velocity is zero, but t is not zero, for example, then here, what is the centripetal force means t is,
Tension. Tension is centimeter. mv square by L plus mv.
that means the particle will fall down, no, it cannot stay here. Do you
Yes.
agree with this or not?
Agree, sir. Sir,
The
actually,
particle cannot go further. Why? Tension is not there, no? So particle will fall down.
yes, sir. Sir, but tension is not zero now, sir.
Why, man? Correct or no?
Our condition is T not equal to zero.
Pardon?
Sir, we wrote T not equal to zero now, sir, at that point.
Here, what I am saying is, okay, here also. V is zero, we calculate tension. Particle will fall down due to what?
Due to
Gravity.
gravitation forces. Gravitation.
That means now what will happen? It goes on like this. That means the string goes like this. The particle oscillates like this. Again comes back like this. Again goes up like this. Again comes back like this.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can see what is this angle? 90 degrees now.
Degree.
Yes, sir.
So we call that as what? Amplitude. This is angular, maximum angular amplitude. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? In that case, what is the velocity of closed point? Half m vl square mg into 0 is mg into L
Yes, sir.
plus
L by 2, L, so 1 by 2 into L by root 2 G.
agreed.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
That means if VL is less than that, can you tell what happens? It will oscillate, but the angular amplitude is how much?
Below 90.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Now suppose you are having less than real. What will happen?
angular amplitude is less than 90.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Can you stay for another 5 minutes
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
or shall I continue tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Can do, sir.
you can do, sir. You can do, sir. Continue, sir.
5 minutes, not more than that. Because one important concept connected with this. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can do,
sir.
sir.
Now, I want the particle to leave the circle. Leaving the circle means it should have velocity, no?
Yes, sir.
Velocity, then tension will not exist.
Hmm. So here, at some point. So which side should be more? Can you tell?
So this
That
H1,
means we should come earlier.
H1, this where tension becomes zero, it must come first. H2 less than H2.
H1, right.
Yes, sir.
H1 should come earlier, no?
Yes, sir.
What is H1 mean here?
Sir, VL square plus GL by 3G. 3G. VL square by 2G.
Then you will be getting this as, that means if this velocity is greater than,
2G.
see, you have seen that up to 90, if it is equal to 90, it will come till here.
Yes, sir.
Hello? More than that means it will cross this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2 cross.
It has to cross, no?
Yes, sir. It has cross. Theta must be greater than 90.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means if velocity is between these two, follow carefully. Root 5gl means it will complete the circle. Below this it will oscillate. In between what will happen?
It will just oscillate. Sir.
Body will move
But
along
it's a high move.
circular path for theta greater than 90
Yes.
and will not reach up to highest point. Can it reach? For reaching the highest point, you should have 5 root gl, no?
Root
Yes, sir.
5G. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So that means, see, please see, then the particle will follow like this. So the particle will have velocity like this. So this particle will be going like this. Tension is zero.
Yes,
So
sir.
the particle will go in a straight line. Due to gravity, it will fall. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood
Okay, sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. We'll do some numericals in the next class based on this concept. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Right then. Finish this and go ahead.
Yes.
Take care then. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Bye bye. Hello? Hello? Ah, yes, yes, yes. Tell me what is your issue? Then? He says, I'm understanding. No, no, what you want to convey, because now this is office hour. No, I'm going to office. Convey that in brief. That's what. Hmm. Okay, now you are tied up with Max Bupa, no? I'll tell you. No, no, no. Okay, you are from which branch? So you are not connected to Hyderabad operations. Am I right? Okay, okay, right, right. Now, first of all, remember, 3, 4 years back, I have taken a Max Bupa insurance from Malakpet branch of Axis. The manager is, I think, Priya. Her name is Priya. Okay, and actually, out of goodwill, she requested, and I have taken SIPs also. So far, there are so many for getting. Actually, I don't have any. They sent me one. They did not tell anything that a medical test will be done. So I signed all, no, no, all the, no, no, all the documents I signed. Then after encashing my check, they kept a litigation that one test will be done, that fellow case. And I have a variation of say 130 from 120 to 130 BP. That is not BP as per doctors. That fellow wrote BP. For BP again they are charging some 3,000, 4,000 annual one. I spoke to her 1,000 times. Because my money is there, they are debiting that automatically by ECS. So my money is taken illegally, like coercion, extra of 3 or 4,000 rupees is collected every year. Right. Next, the second point is there are errors in the final hard copy. I gave the corrections, my spouse name and house address. So far, no corrections have come. Now, what you are going to tell me? Now, you yourself are praising about services, everything. Now, this I brought to the notice of everybody. Nobody are acting on that. What I should do now tell. You are saying it is recorded now. Tell me. Hmm. No, you should understand, you are doing a marketing job out of goodwill. You do some nonsense, I should follow from pillar to post. Any sense is there what you are talking? No, no, if I file this, no, no, I can file a case in consumer case. Actually, customer need not do all that. There is a service branch where I have taken. I have, yeah, I have right now. I don't have because I'm on the way to office. No, no, because you said you want to do something. After that, actually, I'm working in one place where I can raise at least 200 customers. After that, I advise all people. This is what is. Hmm. I'll put it the other way that right now I cannot tell. If you give your when you can where I can forward that number, you tell I'll give the policy number and the concern person. None of the what you don't. You see, one thing I'll tell you. They gave me the policy. Errors are there in that. So now, no, 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 I am sorry. That's what. No, no. You arbitrarily called me when I am in journey. How do you think I'll have the details at hand? You have to call me again, no? There's some other time, then I can keep them ready. I have to go home, check with the policy, no? Am I right or not? No, no, the problem I'm telling is not that you really do something to Axis Bank, the private sector. So, no, no, the problem, yes, yes, no, no, why, let me, no, 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 I'll tell you, the problem with private sector is employees join, they leave the organization whenever they want at will. So the problem is nobody takes anything seriously. Actually, the person Das, his name is Mr. Das, it seems, of Max Buber representative. So that fellow and Priya is the manager. Okay, understood? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. We can connected. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Right. Around 3 years back, I have taken a max. It's not taken out of goodwill. Or the branch manager Priya of Malakpet Axis Bank requested me for one because they have the targets. I took one insurance. Actually, they gave me one document. If I have due to goodwill, I just signed that. They only fill everything, and due to ECS, my amount was debited. Right, that's over. After that, they raised the issue of we need health details, and they sent one person to my house. That too, I think that is Vinayak Chavithi season. That previous night we have that Nimajjanam, all that. So I slept at 3 o'clock, and that fellow came at 6:30. So he took that, everything is fine, no sugar, nothing. BP is 130 or so. For that he wrote BP. Suddenly they said you have to pay extra of 3 or 4,000 or 3,600 something they charged. And after that I went and met the manager. She said I'll follow that, sir. So far no action is there. Continuously that extra amount is being deducted. That is one thing, first thing. Second one, and there is some errors in the policy. I told correct that and send me the hard copy. Means so far no action. And I got vexed up with that. Actually, I have to go to the consumer court because of lack of time. I just was wailing away that I'm telling the person is Mr. Das. He is there still in Hyderabad. He is the person who spoke to me. His name is Das. It's from Max Bopa. The concerned manager of Malakpet branch is Priya. So I told her many times. She is saying he is pursuing, sir, but still they are not responding. Wait, how many? Almost 4 years over. And I am a person who can at least mobilize 100 policies within a day. That much I have. Because of this, I only advise better go to HDFC. The reason is, no, this is an ironical thing. Is you out of goodwill I have done, and how can, and that Das person used abusive language once when I spoke to him. నువ్వు ఎవడరా నాకు అడగడం ఏంది నువ్వు టు హోమ్ యూ పేడ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు నువ్వు టు హోమ్ యూ పేడ్ నువ్వు ఏదో చెక్ టు మీ వై డూ కాల్ హారబుల్ ఐ బ్రాట్ దట్ ఆల్సో టు హర్ బట్ సో ఫార్ నో యాక్షన్ వన్ థింగ్ ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ ప్రైవేట్ సెక్టర్ ఇస్ ప్రైవేట్ సెక్టర్ పీపుల్ కమ్ అండ్ గో కస్టమర్స్ ఓన్లీ విల్ గెట్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఐ నో దిస్ సో డోంట్ మేక్ దిస్ కట్ దట్ వేర్ సర్వీసెస్ ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ ట్రై టు రాటిఫై ద మిస్టేక్ దెన్ ఐ విల్ బిలీవ్ దట్ 4 years I'll get the same call or other saying that we Axis Bank, we are doing that and this. One word I'll put. I'm telling so many things. Why can't you call that branch manager free and interact whether what I'm speaking is correct or not? You are asking. No, I am in car driving, morning first hour. I have to be an exclusive agent to Max Boopa and Access to keep my details. Not arbitrary call this is. You should give at least give some SMS or something, then I'll post it with WhatsApp number, then I'll post the policy number. Arbitrarily you want me to say, like, can I remember that much number? Is it possible? Then give your WhatsApp number. No, why do you make a one way? You give me also an opportunity to call you and give the policy number. That you are not doing. Okay. No, you should just call that Priya madam of Axis Bank because Axis people are also there, no, Malakpet. The moment the moment you tell Venkatagiri Max Boopa means she'll tell the whole story immediately. So many times I met her, not once. And just because I goodwill I took. Yeah, but see, I'm telling you, see that one thing, any problem in the body affect the whole life, no? Wherever the parts may be different, but as a whole, Max Boopa should sort out this, no? You may call from anywhere. The same call you can call to a branch manager and find check up, no? What is the problem? Then our name is Priya actually Malakpet branch. You know her? Which branch? Okay. Right. Okay. Bye.